Alright, recording the sewer today, 7018 58th Northeast, dates August 13th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the existing cleanout installed near the front door of the home, kind of here. We're going to pull back. We're all the way out of the Seattle City main here. We're going to pull back into a shared section of sewer line between this home and the home to the north. It's a 6-inch diameter concrete sewer line, seam every couple of feet. And this is all still original. This was not touched as part of this Bob Oates project. This is a final video we're making to show the work that was done. This is where the neighbor connects here. I'm going to call that about 11 feet or so back from the main. There's the neighboring home connection. There's that old backwater valve. And then we come up out. This is a connection to where this 7018 house has a kitchen line that wraps on the other side of the house. This is also the 4-inch by 6-inch sewer diameter transition. We come back into the 4-inch diameter pipe here. This is near the north, well, somewhere in the driveway area there, all located at the end here. It was a good 10-12 feet at least. So yeah, there's a little bit of distance there. All located all here once we finish the recording first. And there is the turn in the sewer line that we lined the liner up to. So the liner came within a couple inches of that 4-inch diameter turn in the line, just as we had. That's just the back side of a turn. So there's it's like a Y. It's just the fitting they use for the turn. There's a cookie on the back side of that. It's just basically blocked off. And then back into our 4-inch diameter liner here. This is the 4-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner that we installed from our excavation in the yard. And there is the connection. You can see we're tight right up against the PVC section that we excavated and repaired. We come back into liner. And up into the existing clean out here. The liner is sealed right into that PVC section. Come up out of the plastic. There is the clean out we're making this recording from, and in the video.